Okay, I have a quick thrift haul here. I got that I want to show you. I always pick up mason jars when I can find them because I use them to store food in, and I do cans. So when I can get them for 50 cents a piece, I'll get them. And then here I got a slicer. I've been wanting one of these. I've had it on my Amazon list. I haven't taken it out and tried it yet, but I only paid $1 for that. And then I've got an old jar and bottle opener still in the box. And I got I'm doing this one-handed, filming, holding my camera, a brayer when I need that in my crafts, like on my Cameo mat when I want to, make sure things are secured good to the mat, or I use it other times. Anyways, I got that. It was $1. And then I got these two milk bottles. They're not old. Yeah, it says Red Shed Home and Gifts. They were regularly $4.99. I got them, I think, 50 cents a piece. I thought those would look cute up above the cabinet. And then I picked this up. We go through a lot of sanding paper for the sander, with the sanders and stuff. It says 4 discs, and I paid 50 cents for it. And I looked in there, and all 4 of the discs are in there, and not a one of them's been used. So not bad for 50 cents. And then I'm going to take you over here. I've already got something I've used up here. The green ball jar. I put that up here. I thought it looked cute on this shelf. And I got that for 50 cents. Now I'm going to take you outside and show you a couple of things that I got that I'm already using outside. Alright, out here, get where you can see them. I got these 2 hummingbird feeders, and I got those for $3 each. And they looked brand new. They didn't look like they'd ever been used. And then there was one more thing that I'm using. Turn you around. And that's that little pot there. It's just like a little miniature stock pot. And I got that for 50 cents. And I've already put a geranium and some rose moss in it. And I didn't get a lot of stuff, but everything I got, I like and I can use. Alright, I moved the little pot here because I made this sign. And I did do a video on it, but I accidentally put it on my other channel. And I'll leave the link below, so you can go watch that video if you want to. But I wanted to let you know, I moved it, and what I'm getting ready to work on now goes in the place where I had the pot. Okay, this project is the 4x4 firecrackers for the 4th of July. I wanted to set them out on my front porch, on my little end table. And I've looked on Pinterest, and I've seen what everybody else has done, and it's good to get little ideas like that. But I'm going to make these my own and use my own idea, and I'd like for you to stick around and see how it turns out. I am going to be using the Cameo, and if you're interested, for sure be watching. So to start with, I'm going to take them back to my craft room, and I know it's noisy in here, but our air conditioning went out, and we had to put in some window units until we can get the air conditioning in, because it's hot in here, until we can get our AC replaced. But anyways, I'm going to take them in there, and I'm going to put Waverly chalk paint on them. I can't remember the color. Plaster. And then I'll show you what I'm going to do from there. So I'll be back. Alright, I have 2 of my blocks painted the plaster color. And I have it's the tallest one and then the middle size one. And I'm going to put this pattern here on the tallest one, and then for the middle one I'm going to use this God Bless America, and then on the third one I'm going to paint that block blue and use this star pattern on it. Alright, I'm going to send this to my Cameo and cut all these out and paint them on the blocks, and I'll be back and show you how they turned out. Here they are finished, and as you can see, I moved the pot and put them in the place of the pot that I got at the thrift store. And when I finished with them, I put a coat of the antique wax, the Waverly antique wax. I did water it down so it wouldn't be real dark. And I think they turned out really nice. They look cute sitting there. And I hope you enjoyed the video. I know that wasn't a long process. I didn't do a lot as far as process, but it's pretty relatively self-explanatory. Hope you enjoyed the video. Until the next time.